Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be comparing the latest released Grok 3 thinking model, ChatGPT O3 Mini High and Deepseek R1, the state of the art models, and let's see how they perform when they are asked to actually create 3D models in Blender just using code. So the first prompt is generate a Blender script to procedurally model a realistic teacup using BPyY. So let's send this to all the models and let's see what do we get. Okay guys, we do have the code from all the models. Now DeepSeek has thought for 392 seconds, which is nearly 7 minutes. O3 Mini High has thought for just 15 seconds and Grok 3 Thinking has thought for 140 seconds, more than 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's copy Deepseek R1's code and let's paste and let's see. We do have something in the middle. It's too small, I guess. We'll have to zoom quite a lot. Okay, so we do see a cylinder, but there is no cup actually. You can see it's actually a cylinder and that too a solid one, not hollow. So that was what Deepseek R1 gave. Not that good, but let's compare. Let's see what O3 Mini High has come up with. Let's get rid of this. Let's delete this previous one and let's see. Okay, I think that's a big one. I'll have to zoom out. Wow, that is awesome. Just have a look at it, guys. It was not able to get the handle right, but other than that, it looks awesome, don't you think? We were inside the cup in the beginning. If you look at the angle, I think that, even this handle will look right, but it should have been a bit lower. Anyways, it looks awesome, guys. Now let's move on to Grok 3 Thinking. Let's see what it has come up with. So Grok 3 Thinking is a model which gets scores near to O3. So let's see if that turns out to any realistic scenarios. So let's see. Okay, there is something big, even bigger than what we had with O3 Mini High. Let's see. That is a oh god, oh my god, that's a very big cup. That is a very big cup. Even the handle looks great. So if we are just talking about teacup, I think there's nothing wrong in it. Let's see if it's hollow or solid. Okay, it is hollow one. So it is just what we asked, a simple cup. The handle is not connected, but the shape is quite right. But anyways, I just wanted to give to 3 Mini High because it looks awesome compared to this one. Let's just see that once again. Let's copy this and let's see that. See, it's small, but how beautiful it looks. So that is a point for O3 Mini High. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay guys, so this is the next question. Generate a Blender script to procedurally model a realistic exact model of Burj Khalifa using BPyY. Let's see which model is able to give us a realistic model of Burj Khalifa. Okay guys, so all three models are done generating. Deepseek R1 thought for 53 seconds, nearly a minute, and O3 Mini High just thought for half a minute, that is 30 seconds, 29 seconds, and Grok 3 Thinking, that took 307 seconds guys, 5 minutes. Let's see, let's start with Deepseek R1, let's see what it has got. First let's delete this old cup, let's paste the code and let's see. Okay, so we do have an error. Let's move on to O3 Mini High. Let's paste this, let's delete this one and let's see. Oh my god, I think we are again inside Burj Khalifa. So okay, it has designed a very big structure. So now we are coming outside. Oh my god, look at that guys. That is awesome. I think we'll have to move a bit farther. It does have some extrusions, but mostly I think it is kind of a pole and nothing special. Okay guys, so I've climbed a lot as you can see, and we see a different structure over here for the first time. If we look closely, we can actually see, the three wings that Burj has. It has tried to replicate that, but I don't think it has done a very good job at it. And now we are at the top guys. So this is what Burj Khalifa is according to O3 Mini High. 3 Mini High tried to do something, but I don't think it's exactly like Burj Khalifa. But we have to appreciate these models. These models have never seen it. It is the understanding that they have developed using text only. Let's see now. Let's copy the code and let's test it out. Let's see what it has come up with. Okay, that looks awesome. We can clearly see the tower, and I think these are the winglets that Burj Khalifa has. Wings or winglets, I don't know, but you understand, right? Now I think that's the floors inside. Floors are pretty small compared to the wings. Let's actually go down and let's see. Just have a look at those wings. Absolutely awesome, I would have to say. Okay guys, so Deepseek R1 is done generating. Before we test that, let's actually give some feedback to these two other models. So to O3 Mini High we'll say, so this is what we are sending. I see that you have made a long structure like a pole, but it doesn't look like a Burj Khalifa. I give you another chance, give it your best. So let's send this, and to Grok 3 will be telling. So this is what we are sending to Grok 3 Thinking. I see that you have did a good job at wings, but the wings are larger than the floors in between, and I think you can do an even better job at replicating the Burj Khalifa. Take more time and come up with a significantly better one. So let's send this, and I think O3 Mini High is done thinking, very nice. But let's first check Deepseek R1. So this is the updated code. that we have got. Let's see if this time it works. Okay, we do have something. I think again it's a wireframe and it's constantly switching to wireframe. For what reason I don't know. The base structure looks awesome, but that's the point. We can't work with wireframe, and this is the same prompt that we send it to, all the models. So I think Deepseek R1 is getting nowhere. Let's move on. Okay, so Grok 3 is also done. But let's first check O3 mini high. First, let's get rid of all of this. Let's paste this and let's check it out. Okay, now if you look at the overall structure, then you can say that okay, it looks a bit better, but anyways, it's still a cylinder. Nothing significant has happened. Let's move on to Grok 3. Let's copy the code. Let's paste it. Let's get rid of the Burj Khalifa O3 mini high created. Okay, now let's see. Okay, that looks way awesome. Significantly better than what O3 mini high did. This model surely does listen to feedbacks. That is absolutely awesome. Now that's what I'm talking. I mean, like, there is no comparison, guys. This model is awesome. Just have a look at it, guys. No model is even close to this one. I have recently tested Grok 3. The difference is not very much compared to 3.5 on it, but Grok 3 thinking is on another level. It's not visible through benchmarks, but in real life there is no comparison, guys. Just tell me, where is O3 mini high and where is this? Absolutely an awesome win. So now let's move on to the next one. So now you can see the question. In this question we are actually asking them to generate a realistic dragon using bpy. So let's see. Let's send this to all the three models. Now all the three models have started thinking. Let's see what they do. Okay, guys, so all three models are done generating. Grok 3 thinking thought for 141 seconds, that's more than 2 minutes, and O3 mini high thought for 15 seconds, and Deepseek R1 thought for nearly a minute, 53.5 seconds. So let's see. Let's start with Deepseek R1. So let's copy this and let's paste it here. So here we have the code. Let's run this, and we do have a wireframe of dragon. So according to Deepseek R1, this is dragon. It has tried to do something, but it's not dragon. Moving on, let's get rid of this and let's see what O3 mini high has done. So let's copy this, let's paste it, and wow, now that is something awesome. We can see the wireframe of the body. Now it actually makes sense. You can see this wireframe which looks like a the whole body. We have legs. I don't know what this is. I think okay, so these two are wings, I guess. Two big pebble long plates like structure, and these four are the legs. Kind of okay, but not that great. So let's move on. Let's get rid of all of these and let's see what Grok 3 has come up with. Grok 3 thinking. I'm excited. Let's see. So we have pasted that and let's run this. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Guys, sorry guys. Uncomparable. This is uncomparable, guys. Absolutely awesome. I don't have any words. No competition, guys. Grok 3 thinking has got it right. Let's do one thing. Let's give feedback to all these models. For Deepseek R1 will say that I just see a wireframe. Where is the dragon? Please give an awesome code that models an awesome dragon. We are sending this to R1 and O3 mini high. To O3 mini high, this is what we are sending. I do get your idea, but the body is wireframe and other parts are not actually connected. And I also think that you can do a better job at giving an awesome dragon. Let's see. And to Grok 3, I mean, like, it is doing absolutely awesome, but we'll say that. Okay, so this is what we're sending to Grok 3. It does look like a dragon, but I don't see the wings and the eyes. You will have to work hard to make it exactly look like a dragon. Good work till now, but give it your best and shock me. Okay guys, so we do have a response from all the models. Let's copy this and let's try it out. Let's remove this absolutely awesome dragon from here and then paste the code. Let's see. Oh my god, what is that? I don't know if it was supposed to be a dragon or something, but okay, looks like dragon's teeth. Okay, so this is what Deepseek R1 has come up with. So it's clearly visible that it's getting nowhere. Meanwhile, let's see what O3 mini I has done. Previously, just seeing O3 mini's output, I was shocked in my previous videos, but this time, oh my god, Grok 3 is on another level. So let's see. Okay, so we are seeing blobs, and if you connect them, I think, okay, so these small blobs over here, these one, the small one, I think these are legs, this is the body, and these are the wings. I think the previous one was actually better than this. Meanwhile, let's see what Grok 3 has come up with. It was already doing best. I hope it has not messed up things and hope it gives us a even better dragon. So let's see. Okay, now that looks like a dragon. Even better than the previous one. Absolutely awesome. You have the wing structure, the legs, the tail, and also head of some sort. Absolutely awesome. So what can we say? Initially, O3 mini high defeated Grok 3 thinking model, but after that, when it comes to Burj Khalifa or the Dragon, it's clearly visible, and we also saw that it's not even a comparison. Grok 3 thinking just nailed it, and it actually states that it is truly a O3 level model. We'll have to do multiple tests, other tests as well, and after that we can have a proper conclusion where O3 stands. Looking at these initial tests, clearly visible that Grok 3 thinking is something awesome. So did you enjoy the video? If yes, do consider hitting that like button and subscribing my channel to see detailed comparisons of models. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.